Hey guys, here's the next de-stash. It's going to be paper pads, the smaller ones. This first one is a American Crafts called Kringle and Company. It's $3. Now, I don't think I may have used a couple of sheets out of this. I'm not sure. But it's still really full. But $3 for that. I don't know if you saw that. It's one-sided. Alright, this one is Vintage Christmas by My Mind's Eye. $3 for this. It hadn't even been opened, so it's brand new. I mean, it's an older paper line, but it's brand new, never been used. So $3 for that. This one, I think I got at Tuesday morning years ago. I didn't even let you look at this one, did I? I mean, I can't really open it, but here's, you get the gist of what the papers are on these. Now these are going to be plus shipping because I didn't want to do these as a bundle because I didn't know if everybody would want all of them. So it's going to be whatever the price is plus shipping on these. This one here is going to be $2. Here's the front of it. It's one-sided as well. That's pretty. Yellow roses. Keys. Okay. This next one, if I've used anything out of this, it's probably 1 or 2 pages. It's very thick. It's an 8x8. So Sweet by Paper Studios. $6. I'm just going to run by this one quick. It's a single-sided as well. Got a lot of butterflies in here. It's got glitter as well. Okay. This one hadn't even been opened either. This one is called the Edumacation Stack by DCWV. $6. I can't really get it to. Well, here's I look at some of the papers here. Okay, and there's one I think's got these borders in there. So $6. And these are all plus shipping. Again, I think that's all of my small stacks. So I'll be back with more. Just let me know which one you're interested in. And I'll have to figure out what the postage is. I will combine shipping on any other ones. If you buy one that's already got the shipping included in it, if what you buy don't put a whole lot more weight in it and I can get it in like a flat rate thing, then I won't charge you any extra postage. But if it's a separate thing, then yeah. So just let me know if you're interested. Thanks.